Second attempt today, shifting to the fishing location north of yesterday's location. These are my equipment. This is the bait, yeah. And that's my fishing rod. Unfortunately, it's broken the top part. It's a nice place. Okay, if you see the durian tree there, the tall one among the oil palm trees, that was my location yesterday. Now I'm a little bit north. River here looks healthy, and I caught my first fish this morning. I'm going to show you the fish. I have no bag for it, special bag, so I put it here. It's inside a plastic bag to stay fresh. And yeah, you guess what water is inside the bag, the plastic bag? Mineral water, man. The fish is drinking mineral water this morning. All right, that's my first one. Started at 7:40. It's about 7:50. I caught that fish. Okay, let's try my luck again. Yes, I caught another one. Here it is. Yeah, got another one. Second one. This one. Yeah, see that? Okay, this is the second fish. Put it in the plastic bag. Yep. Okay, this is how you prepare your bait. You cut small pieces of that into small pieces, the oil palm. And then you hook it here. Right, coming like this. And then you just put it in the water. Yes, the third one, my dear friend. Very happy this morning. Caught a third one to 1.5 hours. This is the second spot that I came to, not far from the first spot. The river looks healthy. You can see fish splashing above the water. Now, waiting for the second or third one from this spot. That's a motorbike, and that's the road coming inside. Quite easy place to come for fishing. No bushes, no jungle, only palm oil. Okay, now let's wait for the next fish. Okay, it's already like 11:10 in the morning. Anyway, it's already like 4 hours. Yeah, it's time to say goodbye to this spot. Hope next time we'll come here because this is a new spot for me. And these are the fish that I caught. Three fishes. I don't know the name, but one of them is probably lampam. I'll check with my friend, with Joey, with my cousin. He will know. All right, time to go. Getting my motorbike ready, and yeah, off I go. See you next time. Thank you. Hello. Today is Saturday, 27 July. Trying again. Trying to do some fish catching. The same spot. So far I got 4. Hopefully you'll get some more. Same place again. The water is a little bit shallower today. There's no rain. Shallower and clearer. Wish me luck. This is the second spot. I was somewhere there just now. First spot. This is the second spot. We'll try my luck here for another hour. Hopefully we'll get something.